Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be testing out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I'm sure you guys have seen what it looks like. Everyone was going crazy when they came out with the announcement for their whole holiday collection. And I'm sure you guys saw the beautiful package that it came in. It came in this beautiful plastic box, and it came with these beautiful gold roses. I have never seen anything like this before. It's just, man, Anastasia, Norvina, freaking packaging is top notch, I swear. Best packaging I've ever seen, I mean, that I've ever received, because let's be real, I don't really receive a lot of packages, but it was just beautiful, 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 beautiful. When I saw everyone get it, I was like, I'm so excited. I was so excited to receive it. So I received that, and I also received the new glitters, as you guys can see, and it came in this cool pyramid looking box, and when you open it up, it kind of transforms into a little table, as you guys can see, and in here comes the glitters. Obviously one is missing, the one that I used, and then came with the liquid, the new lip glosses, which also I used, and the new liquid lipsticks right here, these three. And yeah, so it's kind of like a first impressions kind of video. I've never done a video like that before, but today's the day. So if you guys want to see how the shadows and the glitter performs and everything and how I like it, just keep on watching. Okay, so I got a little bit closer. So I already have my eye primed. So the first shadow that I'm going to dip into is going to be this one, Birch, and I am going in with a Morphe M504 brush, and I'm just going to pop that into my crease and my outer crease, using it as a transition color. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Bloom here, and I'm just going to use this shade just to warm up a little bit, warm up my crease a little bit, and I'm using an M441 brush. I'm starting on the outer corner, and then I'm going to move that towards my crease. Then I always like to add a little bit of darkness on my inner corner. So I'm going to go in with this Dystopian. You know me, I'm like horrible at pronouncing things. So I'm going to go grab that same Luxie 231 brush, and I'm going to dip it in there and then just pop that into my outer corner a little right there. And then the next step, I'm going to carve out my eyelid right where I want the glitter to go. So I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape and this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, concealer brush, and I'm just going to carve out my lid space. And because it's looking a little bit too harsh right here in the outer corner, I'm going to go back in with the M441 brush, and I'm just going to tap right here just to help blend those colors. Okay, and I'm going to go in with what I've been waiting for. I've been like dying to like try these ever since I saw that she was coming out with them. But I'm going in with this Blazing Sunset Loose Glitter. It looks like this. It's pretty cool because when you open it, I was seeing that she made the little tops, because you know how sometimes glitter comes just with this part of it, and it's really hard because then it starts spilling everywhere. So she made it like a little top, which is pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my tray first. Okay, and because I did not receive the glitter adhesive that she made, I'm going to use another glue for glitter. And I'm going to apply that with another kind of like, how do I explain this? Well, a brush like this, with the bristles that are like this. So I'm going to apply that glue, that glitter glue, on my eyelid, basically right there where I cut the, you know, crease area. And I'm just going to tap that glue on there. And now I'm gonna go in with the flat brush. I'm gonna go in with the glitter. I'm probably gonna go in with the same concealer brush. I'm getting glitter everywhere. Okay, and I'm just gonna tap it on my eye. Ooh. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this, the Luxie 231 brush. I'm just gonna tap. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I'm obsessed. So I forgot to film this because I forgot to press the record button, but on my inner corners, I did go in with the shade Cyborg, which is this one right here. And I went in with my Morphe M124 brush, and I sprayed some Fix Plus first, and I just popped it into my inner corner. So now I'm going to apply some lashes, and the lashes I'm going to, they're not in here obviously, but they are from Pure, and these are the, do they have a name? Ah, Diva lashes. These are the Diva lashes, so I'm going to pop that on my eye now. Now I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I'm going in with the shade Bloom in that Luxie 231 brush. This is like my favorite brush, so I use this all the time. And I'm going to sweep that underneath my lash line. And just to darken it up a little bit, I am going in with that dystopian color, and I'm just going to put that right here on the outer corner of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to just coat my lower lash line. And these lashes, it's like weird because they're curly, but it's not like really picking up that much on the camera. I think it's only when I look down you can't see them, and I look up it's fine. I don't know, but I put a little bit of mascara on, and right now I'm just kind of curling it up a little bit. Okay, I think the shade that I'm going to go in with is the shade Pearl. It's so pretty. It's a kind of like a clear gloss with like pink reflex, pink and gold reflex. Is that the word, reflex? Man, I suck at talking. I hope you guys know what I mean. But gold reflex, and we're going to see what it looks like on the lips. Ooh, that's really pretty. I've been like obsessed with lip glosses as of lately. I don't know, I just am over that drying feeling on my lips of liquid lipsticks. I hope the camera picks up like the pink reflex. Okay, now I'm just going to hit my face with some setting spray, and as always, I'm using my Morphe setting spray. I love it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Give me a like, comment down below what other videos you guys want me to film, any wedding videos, any like, you know, videos of me stressing out over my wedding. I don't know if you guys want to see those vlogs. I don't know. Just give me anything. Any suggestions of what you want to see. I don't know what else to say. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! How do people do these videos of where they like do little poses? I'm so awkward, like I do the same pose. I can take myself seriously.